We're going to look at the Perception Drift 9.5 and the Perception Swifty 9.5 DLX. Both are entry-level, beginner-friendly recreational kayaks, 9.5 feet long. The Drift weighs around 40 pounds and the Swifty is around 44 pounds according to the internet. The Swifty also has a slightly higher weight capacity of 325. The Drift seems to have slightly better dashboard features, including a very large water holder, which will hold a 1 liter Nalgene bottle, and also it has two inserts for screw-in 1.5 inch solo mounts, where you can mount phone, GPS, camera, or additional rod holders. So we're just going to look at both of these boats on the water today and show you what we really like about them.
Hey y'all, it's Jamie with Mountains River Sea, and just gonna show a quick demo of the Perception Drift 9.5. Had to look at the name because some of them are called Swifty. I think it's the same boat by Perception, Drift 9.5, or the older model Swifty 9.5. It's just a nice little wreck boat by Perception that we're renting today just to try out on the river. I'm going to put it on the pond, see how it does on flat water. Pretty good tracking for a pretty short wreck boat. It'll start to drift a little bit when I stop paddling. It might veer a little right or a little left after a little bit, but not too bad for a 9.5 boat. And then we'll show it on the river in a little bit. As you can see, it's very stable. It's a very wide wreck boat. It's very hard to tip this one over. I can go pretty far. I've only been in it a few minutes, and the only thing I've noticed is it doesn't have any built-in pads, so I just took a noodle, slid it down the side, popped it on the edges for a little more support and comfort on the outside of your legs. Very easily adjustable footrest. It's got this water holder with a bungee. It's got two little areas to screw down camera or video cameras. And then it's got a couple of rod holders in the back if you're going to go fishing with it. It's got the big open cockpit, plenty of room for people with long legs. We're going to put my husband in it later. He's very tall. I think he'll like it. So that's the Perception Drift 9.5, and let's see how it does on the river. guys, I am going to do a demo of my husband's Perception Swifty 9.5 DLX. We just picked this up used a couple weeks ago after he had demoed the Drift 9.5 from a local outfitter. They're basically the same boat as far as I can tell. The only difference I really noticed in the Swifty versus the Drift had a little bit better front deck rigging and a bigger cup holder, maybe some more bungees, but other than that, they seem about the same. You can see they've got 2 bungees up front, bungees in the back, a hatch, although it's not dry storage, so really you can just stuff stuff behind the seat. And then it's got 2 rod holders right here if you want to fish out of it. So he really likes it. He loves the plastic molded handles. And then it's also got a paddle holder. With this bungee, you just hook it around. There's a little hook underneath there to hold the paddle for whatever you're going to do out of the boat, fishing wise. So let's see how it does on the water. Hey guys, I'm just going to show you how to adjust the footrest on the Perception Swifty 9.5. You just grab the pedal and the little button behind the footrest and squeeze. And now I can slide the footrest forward or back and then just let go. And it's going to stay where you want it. Okay, I'm going to show you the seat real fast. It does have a back piece that actually comes out. Don't worry if that happens. It's designed to do that. It's secured by these bungees. And then you can tighten it. You can cinch the back piece forward or back by the strap right here. And the seat you can see is plastic molded in. There's no adjusting the bottom part. But it does have a built-in pad. It's got a built-in cup holder right there. So it's fairly comfortable. This Perception Swifty has pretty good tracking and speed for a 9.5 foot wreck boat. Turns really well too, as you can see. Very big open cockpit and very good stability. This is it's pretty wide and super stable boat. So, you know, if you've got your footrest where you want them, got those knees out against the edge of the cockpit, got your seat back adjusted like you want, very comfortable boat, very stable, and it's a great little wreck boat. I really like it.